Welcome back to Nazarettos channel, guys and girls. As you know, I do DIY videos and sometimes I do a product review, and I want to share with you what I just bought. I love cooking, anything to do outside, and I found this Blackstone grill, 22-inch griddle on sale. It was at Costco, which is an amazing deal, $149. I also purchased this Blackstone 6-piece griddle tool kit with all the tools for cooking. You can make a lot of good stuff. Blackstone. So in this packaging we have included cleaning kit, carry bag, 20-pound adapter hose, as you see, some of the scrubbing pads, and what else? We have 2 independent heat zones. It's a small 22-inch griddle, but I always wanted to buy this Blackstone, and now it's on sale at Costco. $149, it's an unbeatable deal. Very good. And it has a lid, so you can close it. So let's open it up and see what's included. I'm so excited about this griddle Blackstone. We have a model number 245NA Blackstone, warranty booklet, some stickers, manual. So no assembly required. Whoop. The handle, nicely packaged. I think I have to take it out of the styrofoam, but don't lose these screws or whatever the parts are here. So we're gonna take it out. I need 2 hands, so I needed to use 2 hands to take it out. When you're unpackaging, don't throw this piece away by accident. It's on the side of the styrofoam here. This is for your gas cylinder. Just take it out. Yeah, make sure you don't throw it away by accident. So this is our Blackstone out of the packaging. Oh, there's more packaging, more styrofoam. Okay, what is this? Anti-mold and mildew power pack. Do not eat. Good to know, not to eat. So inside this top packaging, this is what we have. We have that hose to attach to your cylinder, the gas cylinder. We have for the oil to drip, like a little can. We have the scrubbing pads, 2, there's 3 of them, like a nice little handle. So it's a good, nice little kit. We have a carry-on bag. We have this like a scraping, cleaning spatula. Nice. Good, nice little kit. Okay, let's unwrap it. There you go. Is this a sticker? No. That's not a sticker. It's paper. And let's remove this. There's more padding. I like it. That packages things pretty good. Wow, look at this. Nice surface. I still have more to go. There's more tape. No, not tape, more plastic. I just gotta figure out how to remove this part. I think this is screwed in, so I might have to flip it. So in order to remove this, we have these locking pins. See? We have to push this back a little bit. Let's see if I can show you this. You see this? This is like a locking pin here and here. Just gotta push it back and then pull this whole thing out. And it comes out on both sides. See? Over there as well. So I removed the top. Let's clean all this plastic. And I want to show you. See, this is where it slides in. Right here and right here. There's more parts that I need to remove. So this is our lower base, as I call it. And here on the side, that's where we're gonna gas. And I'll show you how I'm gonna connect it, because I have a big cylinder. This base is pretty light. And nice rubberized handles. I like the feel of it. Feels like very solid. And here we have signed Blackstone. Blackstone. I think these are removable, so you can clean them and replace them, which is nice. Push it back. So yeah, it's very good design, easy to remove. You can clean this handle, replace them. I got nice finishing touches here, Blackstone here and Blackstone here. Feels pretty good. Very well made. It says danger, do not store propane or aerosols. This area is not to be used for storage. So don't put anything here, don't leave it, you know. So I flipped this top upside down, and I want to show you how it's made on the bottom here. This is all welding points here, very solid. Nice solid construction on the bottom here. And I think this is iron, cast iron. That's where the oil comes out. And this is our locking points. So, and also here we have Blackstone. That is a nice touch. Very good. I like it. I like the construction of it. It looks great. And we have a lid. So let's install the handle now. So as you see right here, this has to align. I already inserted this locking mechanism into this hole. And now we just gotta push it forward, and it's supposed to lock. It's supposed to push it, pull it forward, and it's supposed to lock. See, like right here, push it back, and then you align, and that's it. And now this part is holding. Now this handle feels very, to be honest, it feels very light. I won't say it's cheap, but it does feel very, very light. And let's undo these screws and let's install it. We need a Phillips head screwdriver here. Yeah, it does feel kind of cheap when I'm holding it in my hand. It feels very light. But you know what? I was wrong. It is not cheaply made, because look, see? Nice welding points. Same thing on this side. And I think this is it's not gonna rust. This material is not gonna rust. Stainless steel. So let's install it. Let's supposed to go like right here. So just make sure this piece is up front and the screw is on the bottom, and just start screwing it in. Okay, handle is secured. Feels very nice. And it looks nice too. And now let's connect the gas. I have to take this outside. We're gonna connect the gas. So this Blackstone, you can connect to a propane tank, like a small propane cylinder. So it even shows you in the manual, like the smaller one, or you can connect like a big gas cylinder. And we have the supplied hose that came with it. So you can just connect this piece right here, and then you can connect the cylinder here, the small propane cylinder. Let's remove this, and you can connect this hose that will be going to like a big gas cylinder, just like in the picture right here. You have a tank like this. First you connect the hose, and then you connect it to your cylinder. It's all on page 9. Now before I connect the gas cylinder and start it up, we have these 4 stands, because this is a tabletop grill. Make sure you screw these in. There's 4 legs. And these are nice rubberized stands. Just screw them in. There you go. One less to go. No special assembly required, no special tools. It's out of the box, pretty much ready to go. Just put these handles, put this handle in, put these stands, connect this hose, and pretty much done. And on the bottom here we have our model number and like a little like card. It also says Blackstone. Very nice. And I think we have to install this part right here. So this is our grease collector. That's where all the grease and all the food remains, you know. Just insert it. There's like a little hole there, and that's it. And we're done assembling this grill. I like it. You can just take it out and dump all the grease out and all the garbage and clean it. You can easily reinsert it. There's a nice metal lip. So when everything is ready, make sure you guys look at page 11 here. It says we have to prepare this grill. It's called season. It says here griddle seasoning instructions, and it shows you how to washing your griddle top before first use. We have to wash the griddle cooking surface with hot soapy water, and then rinse and dry completely. So I'm gonna do that step. There's also video tutorial. You can just scan this QR code. You gotta wipe it down from any debris off griddle top. Set your griddle to very high temperature for about 10 minutes. And then until your griddle top changes color, and then use a tongue, use your tongue to hold a paper towel or a cotton cloth, and spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of your seasoning oil across the entire griddle. When seasoning your griddle top, remember to use thin and even layer of oil, and the thinner the oil, the easier it will be to burn it off. So you have to repeat it about 3 times and it will be ready. Also, What oil is best to use? Blackstone seasoning and cast iron conditioner. Any plant-based cooking oil, render animal fat with no additives. So page 11, very important. So wipe the surface from any debris, soap and water. Make sure it's nice and clean. Just cleaning extra stuff, cleaning it very nice. So this is my propane cylinder. I'm gonna open it. This is tight. Also this is tight. Now I'm just gonna open it. Now I'm gonna start it. And I see it's already, the gas started. Leave it on high. I'm gonna let all this water evaporate. Now in this step it says use a tongue to hold, okay. Set your griddle to high until your griddle top changes color for about 10 minutes. Use a tongue to hold a paper towel or a cotton cloth and spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil seasoning across the entire griddle. So we're gonna wait till it changes color for 10 minutes. So after I clean it with water and soap, dry it nicely, I started this griddle, and for 10 minutes we're gonna wait. The surface is supposed to change color. As you see here, it's already starting to change color. Then we're gonna put some oil. I have avocado oil. I'm gonna put 2 to 3 little drops or so, and we're gonna start spreading it. It says here I'm supposed to put after 10 minutes 2 to 3 tablespoons of seasoning or oil across the entire griddle, and just spread it around. So it's been about 2 minutes or so, and I can see that the top is changing color here. There's some of the water still evaporating, but it's slowly changing color. And we're gonna check after 10 minutes. So now the griddle top is almost black everywhere. We're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and spread it nice and even. Add, that's one, and another one, there's another one, and now spread it around nice and even. Make sure it's nice and even. Spread it around nice and even. Make sure this all burns out. Make sure all this oil burns out. Thank you for watching Nazarettos channel. I'm definitely keeping this Blackstone griddle because it's amazing. I cooked some burgers on this thing and they turned out perfect. Also very important, make sure you treat the surface before you cook. Follow the instruction like listed in the manual, and then cook whatever you want. This thing is just amazing. I'm definitely keeping this product, and for that price at Costco, this is just amazing.